Hi everyone, it's Kino here. We're going to do some shoulder drills. If you love these drills, come practice with me on omstars.com. I'd love to see you there. When you're ready to get started, let's get 2 blocks and a strap, and then we can begin right there. So let's unwrap the strap. You don't need an official yoga strap. Any old piece of fabric, like a belt or a towel, will do. Let's thread the shoulders, and we'll do 5 times. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, we got 1 more. Okay, let's bring it all the way back. That's good. Now, I want you to reach 1 shoulder forward and 1 in the external rotation, and just hold in little movements. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. Bring it up. Right shoulder forward. Left shoulder in external rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it back up, and then exhale. Put the strap down. Now, I want to do puppy pose on the blocks, which is a little difficult. So this is kind of an advanced shoulder drill. You can decrease the height if it gets to be too much. But since we're doing it as a drill, I thought I could give us a little challenge. Let's put the knees a little back, hands on the blocks, and let's prepare. Give me external rotation. Exhale, chest towards the ground. Inhale, press, bring it up. Exhale, chest towards the ground. Inhale, press, bring it up. 3 more times. Exhale, chest towards the ground. Inhale, press the blocks, bring it up. Exhale, chest towards the ground. Inhale, press the blocks, bring it up. Are you ready? Exhale, chest towards the ground. Stay there. 1, 2, draw the navel in. 3, 4. See, when you touch, it's already over. 5, let's bring it up. Exhale, come down. It's harder than it looked, huh? And then I want you to walk forward. Slide those blocks in. Keep them double stacked. We're going to turn around. Now we're going to get the shoulders. Wrap those onto the double strap. Take a moment, the head back. The head does not like to be floating in the air. Put a little pillow underneath the head. Okay, let's get the strap. Get a firm grip on it. Tighten the grip. The closer it is, the more external rotation we work. Exhale, put the strap on the ground, and then exhale, put the butt down, and really squeeze your butt into the ground. We'll hold for 5. Let it be active, like you're stretching and pulling the strap away from each hand, and you're pushing your butt into the ground for 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, lift the strap. Exhale, touch it down. Inhale, lift the strap. Exhale, touch it down. Inhale, lift the strap. Exhale, touch it down. 2 more times. Inhale, lift the strap. Exhale, touch it down. Inhale, lift the strap. Exhale, touch it down. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Take the strap, move it over to the side, hold your head, bring it up. Now, take a moment, let's move the blocks out of the way. And then we're going to do the elbow back bend. It's very intense on the shoulders. So I'm just going to change the hair for a moment. Very intense on the shoulders, so be aware. Oh, so much of it. Okay, put it in there. All right, there we go. Now the head goes into position, hands back behind you. Start to lift the hips, come onto the top of the head. Our first variation of the elbow back bend, we walk 1 elbow in, walk the other elbow, and interlace the fingers like headstand. And here we are. We press into the elbows and hold. 1, 2, try to feel the spinal arch. 3, 4, 5. You can come down, or if you want to explore a little more, you can take your hands, moving them away from each other, and then inhale. Come up onto your elbows only, like dolphin. 1, forearms. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, we can see if we can come up onto the elbows only. I know that's what I said first, but now I really mean it. I didn't really mean it before. I meant the forearms before. Ooh, yes, you want to feel your triceps. You want to feel all kinds of stuff. Just ideally not the neck right now. 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's put the head down. Stabilize with your hands. Lift the head up and then exhale all the way down. Okay. Let me rest here. All right, that was a lot for the shoulders. The upper back got involved also. And draw the knees into the chest. Give yourself a little squeeze. Let every joint in the spine and the shoulders just come back to neutral. 2 breaths. 1 more breath. All right, let's roll over to the side. Come on back up. That's good. Now, check out how your shoulders feel. They should feel a little more mobility, a little more flexibility. Check in. Let me know if you're sore tomorrow. I'd love to hear how it's going. Leave me a comment. Tell me it was impossible. Tell me it was possible. And repeat this shoulder drill over and over to start to see progressive results in your body and also in your practice. Thanks so much for doing these shoulder drills with me. I look forward to practicing with you, hopefully soon next time.